here on River Avenue. New York City FC has just defeated the Colorado Rapids, who were, before this game, the best defending team in Major League Soccer this year. Only 14 goals conceded by Colorado in 20 games. How about 5-1 in favor of a New York City team that not only was coming off a very tough, possibly even hapless loss to the Red Bulls last weekend in New Jersey, but they did it today without David Villa, who, as many of you know, was out on a yellow card accumulation suspension. Tony Taylor starts at the center forward, in between the usual Tommy McNamara and Jack Harrison. Taylor scores. Frank Lampard notches the first hat trick. Was it the first hat trick in NYCFC history? How incredible is that? The last one finishing off on a spot kick, a penalty kick, when the result had been basically sealed at that point. New York City, they went up a man in the first half and they absolutely dominated the proceedings. You talk about run and play. You talk about shots on target. You think about chances that you could and should put away. New York City dominates on all of those metrics. Really just dazzling stuff to watch. We're going to Yankee Bar and Grill on River Ave to enjoy the rest of it. Stay tuned for more videos and more commentary, more content from HudsonRiverBlue.com. It was a hell of a game today. Hopefully many more to come for the boys in blue as they start to pivot towards, can you believe it? The playoffs. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you again soon.